welcome back to the Lego Liebherr 42-100 build. As I'm always, your host, the one, the only, Mr. Fonzie. Greetings, Earthlings. Anyway, today we're starting build bag 4. Little change to our recent little tour on this little video. I've already made it all. That is build bag 4. Really is nothing to it. There's a couple of panels, a couple of strips, some fans. It's mainly decorating for the top portion on here. It's literally all here decorating. There is virtually nothing to it. So I spent an hour and a half putting it all together, and then I'm going to do a quick video now attaching it all. I will input on the pages, as you can see on the screen now, all the different build steps to build bag 4. And yeah, let's crack on. I mean, this bit was an interesting bit to build. It's very well done. It's very well constructed. You've got the Technic blocks either end. You've got Technic spline rods running right through it. They're yellow 5s, so they go. Yes, yellow 5s running through. Red spline ends, either spline and cups either end. Spaces in the middle. Technic block 5 in the middle there to split them up. But yeah, very, very well done. Very well, nice. Very, very nicely designed. Well done. Again, just a little bracket just to sit on the top. We've got no Blackhurst and Nirvana today on brackets. Again, another engine portion. All the stickers on them. Guessing that's like your fuel tanks, etc. sort of thing. A little piece to go on the far side. We've got a piece that fits on the outside. We've got a piece of housing with mesh on the windows. Standard plastic windows, flat windows like Lego City stuff. And then we've got stickers that sit on the top of that. Fans for the engine block. Give it a bit more doodly. What's it? Like aeroplane fans sort of thing. More plates with stickers on. More brackets. More brackets. More brackets. Not much to it, to be honest. Compared to how big the rest of this build has been, to see these bits are only small, I am very happy with. Very happy with. So as you can see, the first step is here. I've already put that in. That pulls the whole thing together, makes it rigid. That's top stuff there. So we pop along to step it in. This little piece here. Now this little piece here, as you can see, pops on there. Like so. Right. Hold on a moment. I'm gonna put a black pin in there. Hold on, we'll just grab it out of my spare stuff. It's not on the piece I've just made, but I'm going to pop a little black pin in there just for my satisfaction. There we go. Right, I do apologise for my heavy breathing. I am still struggling with quite a nasty chest infection. Right, so that's braced it lengthways, backways. I feel better now. Put that black pin in. I do. I feel better. It feels better. Anyway, on to the next bit, which is this bit. Ta-da! Right, onto this bit, which, if we jump forward a page, goes on. Around, goes in there, like so. Then we have this bit pops in there. It have to be so difficult. There we go. Like I said before many times, new pins are very stiff. They're very stiff. Right, next bit is this. I will put on the page now, on the screen now, to build bits for this one. It's quite a nice thing, in all honesty. It's quite a nice piece. And I think it will give it a really good look. It's one of those pieces that you're really happy that you've made, because it just feels nice. It's a weird one, but it just feels really, really nice. Right, it says it goes in there, but it's not showing anywhere connected. He says. Oh well. It can't just sit on the top like that, that's ridiculous. Sorry, that just doesn't look right. That way looks better. Same time, it shows that that's definitely the way it goes. Curious, like, oh, curious. Like that. Very curious. I'll just investigate this a moment. One moment, I just want to investigate this a moment, just to see where this one goes. It shows clearly on the book, that's where it goes. Very clearly shows that. It shows no other points of contact other than those two pins there. Shows none at all. So give me a moment, just have a quick check. I'll be right back with you.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time card.
Hey folks, we're back. I think I fixed it. I've had a look. I can't find anything, any of the diagrams online to show that actually connecting to it with anything to the back. So for my own satisfaction, I've popped a couple of pins in the back, just for my own satisfaction, just so I know for a fact it's propped up properly and it's not loose on there. The next piece to get connected, actually, funnily enough, is this. This is the next piece to get connected. L brackets either end, and you've got orange pins underneath. Now this actually sits on the front of this. So that's the next piece to get attached. It's quite a simple piece actually. It's just these two long grey bars connected with black pins through, blue double pins through a grey 3. Spline L's on the ends, you can see, got poddy ends. Orange spline cups underneath. Bosh. And that sits on the front. Yep. You get little black cups at the end there, so that needs to hook up with that. Little black cups hook up with the blues, the blue pins that stick out of these. That one, and then the one here that's hidden. They hook into the black cups there. The blue pins should push through the brace bar underneath. a bit of a wiggle. Oh, bit of a wiggle and a bit of a twist. They pop into there. Orange pins go in there, like so. Oh, wow, that is now attached. That was very tiring. Must apologise, I'm getting quite out of breath at the moment from doing anything. Breathing is quite difficult. No, I do not have COVID. I actually have been tested for COVID. I don't have COVID. I have been tested for it. Don't have it, thankfully. Hold on a moment. I've just noticed a piece that wasn't attached properly, so I'm just currently trying to attach it in a way where I'm happy with it. There's something that pops up in there when you least expect it, like that. Like that, and that goes that. Right, done. As I was saying, I have been tested for COVID. I don't have COVID. I've had COVID in the past. I don't want it again. It was not very nice the first time. I really do not wish to experience that sort of feeling again. Anyway, stay home, folks. Look after yourself. Look after those you care about, please. It's horrible. Anyway, here we have the fuel tanks. I call them fuel tanks. I have no idea quite what they are, but that's what I think they are. Swing around again, sweetie. There you go. They attach on there like that. Swing it back. I am also thinking of upgrading the battery system on this. Now, they are currently running on 12 AA batteries, but they're only pumping out 1600 milliamp hours each. I'm thinking of upgrading to 2600 milliamp hour batteries. Give it a bit more waft. Or I might actually see if I can get something a bit stronger. Just something to give it a bit more waft, because it's a bit slow in its movement. They are fresh, fully recharged, but they are a bit slow. I'll see if I can something out there I can give it a bit beefier, to give it a bit more of a push with its manoeuvring and doing things. Right, so this one goes in there. Like so. Working on this side of it now. Next bit I'm guessing is this bit. Ta-da! Here's one I made earlier. Now this hooks up here, just in the slot there, and then the little black cup that is hitting down there underneath the arm. I say underneath, like next to the arm. Pops in there. Pops in there like so. Happy days. Pop forward another page and come to this piece. It's literally self-explanatory, 7 white, 2 black pins and a red pin. Hook it onto that blue pin at the end there. Just attached. Push the red through so it clicks in. Bosh. Right. Now we need 6 black pins. I don't happen to have with me. Hold on a moment. Just a minute. Pull them out of my waiting to be sorted drawer. Yes, I do have a miscellaneous drawer. I throw random bits and pieces in there as I go on through my day. Sort it out at the end of the day. There we go. Bosh. We go. Next thing is the window section. Right. Next one is the window section again. I put bits and pieces up on the screen to show how it was made. Basically, it's two flats, a 15 technic block, 4 windows, stickers on, a selection of flats on there. The larger ones and down to the 4s, then with a 7 in between and another 4 on the top. I'll get that all together. This just clips on the top. Like so. So the next bit is the exhaust ports. Again, pre-made. Again, I will pop the pictures up to show how this lot's all made. Here it is. Quite a nice thing, nice shiny grey, dark grey. I do like that texture, it's very nice. Caps on the top. This top section is made out of flat 3s with 2 studs on. Flat 3, no studs, with flat 6 underneath. And then you got one block, one by one technic block from the top there, making all that lot up. Intermediate 6 stud blocks there and there. Again, flat with 2 studs, flat 3 flats, no studs. And again, technic blocks on top making that hole. There we go. Bosh. That bit is on. Now if we spin her round, she is a big girl. Final piece to go on a bag 40 is this piece. Now like I said, it's pointless me droning on for God knows how long. I'm making all these bits up as I go. I'm going to probably take to this format a bit more. Cut the episode lengths down because they're a bit long. I'm trying to get in there everything we're doing so you all know where we're up to. Anyway, that kind of goes like that, and then we line up that stud, that. Stud lines up with there. That stud lines up with there. That goes in there like that. Bosh. Yep, bang on. There we go. The control room goes here. There is a set of ladders and everything goes up here. Build bag 5 includes the shovel, but I've already attached the shovel because there's nothing in my research said that can't go on, so that's gone on for its testing. Next on our list is build bag 5 and all the pipe work. So we're going to fit all the hydraulic piping. That's all going to get attached. I look forward to doing that. And as always, I will see you on the next episode. So, have fun, look after yourself, please stay safe. This is no laughing matter, this thing was going around. It's not very nice at all. Stay safe, look after yourselves, and I'll see you all, hopefully, very soon. As always, may the Fonzie be with you all, my friends. Look after yourselves, look after those you care about, and as always, let us see you soon. Bye, guys. Bye, folks. Peace out.